I will discuss about radio waves. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with the longest wavelength and the lowest frequencies. In the electromagnetic spectrum, they are used in a wide variety of applications including radio communication, radar, wireless networking, cellular network, and medical application (MRI). And how radio waves are used. Various frequencies of radio waves are used for television and FM and AM radio broadcasts, military communication, mobile phones, and home radio, wireless computer network, and numerous other communications applications. Radio waves are a powerful tool with many benefits, but they also have some limitations.
So what is the benefits of it? So the benefits of it is like long distance communication, penetration of obstacle, cost effective, versatile, wide range of application. So how does it work? So it works by like, so this is your internet, this is the internet cable, and this is the router. So this is where you actually get the internet, and from the cell phone or anything else that you can actually give information or something that you actually need to give in long distance. So the limitation of it is like limited bandwidth, which is the wire of it, and how does it actually how does it will last, or the electricity how it will last, and the security concern as atmospheric effect, interference, and signal degradation. And so the impact on society, I don't know how to. So what is the impact of it? So the impact of it is like easily communicate with other radio, transform communication by making it possible to send information immediately over great distance. So it working like in conclusion is like in conclusion is that the electricity can actually give more data or something that you actually need to actually do in water A or many more. It's like endless energy.